Hey everyone, Wake Angel 2001 back with another unboxing. This is a package from Malachi, which was mailed directly to me because it has a name on it and not like an eBay address or something. Let's see. Based on the surname on the package, I'm guessing that this is actually from Ashley. Funnily enough, the commission they're doing is her son's OC, whose name is Malachi, so I'm assuming that that's what this is from. Okay, so simple paper towel used as packing material. Makes sense since the figure hasn't really been, packed in anything. Oh, look at that. Boom. It is a Tomy Sonic figure. Been a long time since we've seen Tomy. I never actually customized a Tomy figure before. But as I recall, Malachi doesn't look that different from Sonic, so it actually makes sense to use this as a base toy since I don't need to do too many major modifications. Yeah, the way... I remember we were discussing it. He really wanted it to be the 3-inch scale, but the Jazzwares figures are just so hard to find these days for any kind of reasonable price, and all of the 2.5-inch figures have some kind of pre-pose to them of some kind, whether they're shrugging or have a pointing gesture. Like, finding a 2.5-inch Sonic that's just normal stance is actually kind of difficult. And I do have a couple of Jazzwares Sonic figures left over, but because they're not in really good condition, they have like loose limbs, like this one's hip is about to fall off, or they have remnants of paint because people tried to customize with them, failed, and sent them back to me. But like there's the Tomy figure compared to the Jazzwares figure. Yeah, so yeah, like this is a good condition figure that I can work with. All right, yeah, this is specifically one that I know is going to a kid. Like I said, this is why I do this. Like. So that kids can get their OCs or characters that they really like that you'll never find at retail, and it's why I keep my price so low, because I don't want to price these kids out of the market, because sure, I could make more money and have less work for myself if I charged $80 to $100 for each piece. Then I could take more time and stuff, but then I wouldn't be making some kids thing. I'd only be making some wealthy collectors thing, So I make stuff for the wealthy collectors. If they want to tip me extra, they're free to do so. But, this is an easy pill for a parent as well. Like, Mommy, I want a toy of my fan character. Oh, but dear, those are it would be so expensive to do that. This guy will do it for $20. $20, that's not that bad. So, that's what I do this for, because, it's easy to get to a kid. Alright, so, yeah. I guess, as a reward for those of you who watched the video this long, check out the Young Link figure. The proper video of him should be coming up pretty soon. If you've watched on Patreon, you get if you support me on Patreon in any amount, even $1, you get to see a big, high-resolution image of this figure. Right now, all that's left is to finish up his accessories. Check out the Deku shield that I made. Is it Deku shield or Deku shield? Never, since there's no dialogue in Ocarina of Time, I really don't know how it's pronounced. I guess I can go with Deku because, Deku from My Hero Academia is pronounced that way, so I think when I was young I pronounced it Deku, but after My Hero Academia came out, I got in the habit of pronouncing it Deku. So, all that's left now is a scabbard for the Kokiri sword and the Kokiri sword itself, which I made the hilt, but I gotta make the blade next. Figured I'd paint the hilt first and then add the blade to it, but, that's my process. So, yeah. Also, quick preview. Yep. In case it's not showing up too well on camera, it's a Knuckles head that's been painted pink. Alright, so, yeah, thanks for watching this video, and, we will catch you in the next custom video.